Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing a demo and a review of the PAC 2-minute instant brush cleaner. The product claims to clean all kinds of natural and synthetic haired brushes. Also, seems to say that it will remove the toughest of adhesives and formulas like glue, mascara and latex. So let's see how this works. So I'll be starting off by cleaning my F80 Kabuki brush from Sigma. I'll be spritzing this with the brush cleaner and swirling it around on a tissue paper. So after doing this a couple of times, it does take off a lot of the product. Next again I'll go in with for another foundation brush, which is my Morphe 439, and repeat the same procedure. So as you can see, it does take off the foundation very nicely from the brush. Next I'll be cleaning my Sigma 3D HD brush, and I use this brush to apply my MAC paint pot as a base to my eyes. So normally when I try to clean this brush, it's not that easy, it takes a lot of work, but the PAC instant cleaner does actually clean it up very fast. Next I'll be cleaning this blush brush. It's the Real Techniques Metal Collections one, and again within a matter of couple of minutes it cleans off all the product from the brush. Now I wouldn't recommend this to be as the only means of cleaning the brushes. I still prefer the conventional cleaning using the water and liquid soap. So this is just something, to quickly clean your brushes when you don't have the time to go all the way. Now coming to my eye brushes, you can actually clean two brushes at a time by spritzing the product on both the brushes, holding them together and swirling them so that it further reduces the time of cleaning up the brushes. Now this technique works really well if the brushes do not have much product on them. Next I'll be picking up two of my most used eye brushes actually. That is my Sigma E25 and my MAC 217. With these two, what I do is clean them together and then clean them one by one to get all of the product out. Or you can actually clean them together and then clean them using the regular technique, that is your water and brush egg. If you haven't seen how I used to clean my brushes using a brush egg, I'll link that in the description for you. It's a very old video. Next, I'm cleaning my pencil shaped eye brush. I generally use this to pop color on my lower lash line. The next brush is an angled brush from Color Bar, and I had used this in my teal eyeliner video to apply the Inglot gel eyeliner. And I think after the MAC paint pot, I think this is the toughest product to get off the brushes. So and the cleanser actually takes that also off as well, but it takes a couple of spritzes more than the rest of the brushes to get all the product out. And there it is, it's completely clean. Just to go a little further, it takes off any kind of gel eyeliner product. So this is one more brush, and I think I had my Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner on it, and it's completely clean. So as they claim, the product does take off the toughest of adhesives and formulas and cleans the brushes fairly quickly. But as any product, this does have a few cons, one being the fact that it has a very strong and pungent odor. The second problem that I had with this product was that the ingredients are not mentioned on the bottle. The only mention is that it contains alcohol. The third con for me is that it is priced a little steep for a brand like PAC. It is priced at $850. So that is one of the reasons why you can't keep using only this as your means of cleaning, because it will turn out to be very expensive. So that's it about this product, guys. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. It's Pammy's Corner on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you for watching.